Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Dr. Boyle. I'm getting in touch with just a brief video update as we approach what is pretty much close to the midway point for the course. Not quite there, but getting there. Our midterm is coming up just around the corner here in a couple weeks, and so this is an opportunity for me to kind of give you a heads up about that, to let you know the form that will take, to give you some additional information that will help you prepare for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in a moment. Before I do that, though, I hope you also enjoyed doing the code segment last week, where you got to play around in an environment and see how computer languages work in a production environment. It's really important, I think, not only to develop our critical skills about sort of critiquing and thinking through in a critical way new media culture and digital environments, but also to be able to compose in those and to get a sense of what that looks like. These are ideally very practical skills, too, that will allow you down the road to use these in perhaps other environments. And the midterm has that objective as well. The midterm will ask you to work in an environment called Sway. You can find it at sway.com. And I'm going to be giving you step-by-step intensive directions on how to prepare for the midterm. So this is just a preliminary report. I'm just giving you kind of an overview right now. Sway is an environment. It's completely free. It's not going to ask you to pay anything for it, but we will sign up to be able to access this environment to create what is interactive web-based content and multimodal content. And by that I mean you're going to be doing a little small project, not as extensive as the final project, but a small little project where you return to one of the week's material that has appealed to you at this point. It can be anything that we've talked about. Develop kind of a focus. So you'll be pulling forward, again, your discussion post, revisiting that, and then you're going to supplement that with some additional content from the web, video, images, other kinds of things that you put together in a very specific way. So really what this assignment is about will be sort of looking at the choices you make and how you design a text that has all the elements that we see in a digital environment: video, images, and textual content. Sway allows you to do this in a very user-friendly, quickly learn form. So you're going to be producing something that looks really interesting and has some really sort of interesting kinds of elements to it. But you don't have to spend a long time figuring out how to do it. It's a very user-friendly environment. All right. So again, I will be sending you some more information on this, but if you wanted to go ahead and take a look at what this environment is, you can go to sway.com or Google. It'll come right up. And they've got tutorials there and all sorts of things for you to be able to sort of get familiar with Sway and how it works. Okay? So this will be the environment in which you will be working on your